$250,000. JVZoo sent us a congratulations message. I'm not even a big seller on JVZoo, but anyway, this was so nice of them, so generous of them. Thanks JVZoo. I more operate on JVZoo as an affiliate, and look at this, from 425 clicks, 323 visitors, we made $564 in affiliate commissions. Well, we are more on Warrior Plus, and here is one of the Warrior Plus accounts where other affiliates just like us are promoting our products and making money. And look at this, our affiliates made at a given time $139,551. Not so shabby. All these are our affiliates. I've just hidden their name for privacy. Now, as I always mention, all these are not important. What's more important are these numbers, the hops. Similarly, on this page, these are the most important numbers, then the money. Because these are the real people, the real human, the real customers who paid us money and we earned money. Now the question is, who are they, where are they, and why they paid us money? The answer is, we make videos, simple videos. But unlike these videos with cameras and microphones and recording ourselves, in our 20+ channels, we make videos using our software, Epic. Epic allows us to make videos using artificial intelligence. In our other 20+ channels, we use 2 to 3 minutes of our times to make 1 minute long short videos, and Epic generates text for us using artificial intelligence, just like this screenshot you see here, and turn those scripts into natural sounding voiceover by going to the audio section and simply click add, and then add a title, select a voice type, select a voiceover artist, copy that text from anywhere, Ctrl+C, paste it right here, and click submit. And immediately the voiceover is ready.
My iPhone 12 Pro battery health has dropped to 91% in 8 months.
Super awesome, right? Well, if I want to, I can record using this directly from my microphone or upload my audio using this section. And Epic allows us to make videos using image, links, and texts. And Epic makes videos in bite size. Look at this, 35 seconds, 14 seconds, 28 seconds, and compile all of them into one long video of any size using simply this render button. Epic is free for my YouTube viewers. Link is in the description. Go grab it. Now, before we move forward, show you customers just for you that are ready to spend money on your offers, and show you how you can make money starting today. The goal of this channel is to help 100 million people in the next 10 years learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And the only one way we can achieve this is with your help. All we want from you is a hit in the like button. Share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, email contacts, WhatsApp contacts, Telegram contacts. Share this video on your Facebook, Twitter timelines, and let everybody know how easy it is to make money online. This is a bad situation for the world economy. Everybody is in trouble. Everyone has lower income, but prices and cost of living are going higher and higher. If you help your friends, family, and your contacts and social media, they will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. Sounds good? Go ahead, like, share, and if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you as the most premium user when we will upload our next money making video. So go ahead, like, share, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button. Done? Let's move on to money. Now, this system is literally for everyone, no matter which experience level you are in. You can be a beginner or you can be an agency owner. This is for you. Plus, my softwares are free for my YouTube viewers. Links are in the description. Go grab them. And you can use this system from anywhere in the world and get paid via PayPal, Stripe bank transfer, and cryptocurrency if you want. We ready for this? Let's begin. If you have iPhone, then you must know that iPhone users are passionate users, obsessed about iPhones. Anything goes wrong with their iPhone, they want a solution. They want to know about it. So I just found on Quora, somebody asked, my iPhone 12 Pro battery health dropped to 91% in 8 months. Okay, for Android users, 91% in 8 months doesn't really matter. But because this is iPhone user, they're concerned. Oh my God, why 91% in 8 months? But they want to know on Quora, and somebody just answered. And look at this, 3.5 million views. Let me take a screenshot of this. I'm reading again, 3.5 million views on this answer alone. Now, all these 3.5 million views you see, these people are interested in learning why iPhone batteries deteriorate. And chances are most of these people are iPhone users. iPhone users are not broke people. They are obsessed, passionate, and they are buyers. They're ready to spend more money on iPhone accessories and iPhone apps. Now look at the profile of this person. 86.3 million content views. So all the answers this person provides on Quora alone got 86.3 million content views. Now, if you compare this with this number of hops that I told you before, these are the real people, then you can imagine how much money could have been earned from 86.3 million views. This is exactly how we make money. Yes, we use Quora, but we use even a shorter and easier version of this. So what we do is we take answers of questions like this from the internet. Let's say take screenshot like this, copy it, go to Epic and then create a new campaign. Go to the image section and click here. Ctrl V and the image is pasted right here. Click upload. It's uploaded. We are going to use it on the canvas. Make it bigger, smaller if we want. Add some other elements if we want. Now I'm going to show you how to use Epic in the later part of the video. Now let me show you quickly how we can make a useful video. Now if I want, I can simply record my voice, or if I want, I can simply click text to audio version and then give it a title. Choose the quality of voice, choose the voice over artist, paste the answer. Now this is what I can do. There is another thing I can do is, instead of using this, go to the text version and use the text generator. This is the AI or artificial intelligence. Now I can use the spinner or use AI. So let's use the spinner. Now the text is changed. It's not another person's text anymore. It's my text. Now I'm gonna go to the audio section and click text to audio add, do the exact same steps and Ctrl V. Now click submit and the voiceover is ready. Click the voiceover and a 56 seconds long video is ready. This video is useful. I can still add more changes. I can do whatever I want. In fact, the video is ready for me. This is useful. This is the answer of the queries of iPhone users. If I want to add more, I can click add new and add more information. And when I'm done, click the render button and the rendering is started. Whenever rendering is finished in the background, I will get an email message. Download the video and upload it anywhere I want. Now look at YouTube. iPhone battery has 640,000 monthly searches. So many people are searching about iPhone battery. When you post your video with the answer, a lot of people will get benefit. They will love your content. They will start following you. And whenever you ask them to buy anything, they will buy from your affiliate link. Now, where will you put your affiliate link in your videos? Usually in your description and in the first comment. And if you put your videos on TikTok and Instagram, you put your links in the bios. And make sure in your videos you ask your customers or your viewers to click the links in your description, first comment, and bios if they want to buy something from you. Now, if you are wondering what can you sell to iPhone users, go to Udemy and simply search with iPhone. You'll find a lot of topics, especially iPhone photography. Become an affiliate of Udemy, take your affiliate link and sell them awesome iPhone photography courses.
Speech enabled.
This iPhone photography course was sold to 61,000 students at the price point of $49.99.
$3,049,390.
$3 million? Wow. From one course? If I were you, and this is exactly what we do, we make simple videos by looking at Udemy courses and check what customers are buying and people are selling. We make simple videos like this using our software Epic. Link is in the description. Epic is free, go grab it. Then publish the bundle on Udemy and Udemy sell our courses and we make money. You should try it too. So all this start from your sincere interest of helping people. I gave you an example of iPhone users take ideas from anywhere. Like Quora. Somebody answers, got a lot of views. It means it's a hot topic. Go have a look at YouTube and other places. Check people are really asking this question or not. Collect the answers from the internet, from YouTube videos, from Quora answers, from everywhere else. Put them into Epic, make your own video. Upload them on YouTube, put your links, affiliate links in your description, first comment and bios. Ask customers or viewers to buy from your link. You can promote Udemy courses or ClickBank products, Warrior Plus or JVZoo products. And you can bundle up your videos, upload them on Udemy and allow Udemy to sell your course. And you make money. $3 million is a lot of money. Awesome? Go ahead, grab Epic and start making money today. Link is in the description. Epic is free for my YouTube viewers. Start today.
We just made a money-making Amazon product review using our artificial intelligence software Epic. First, I will show you the product review that we made, and then I will show you how we made it step by step. So let's begin.
Your brand new iPhone can break if it drops from your hand. We read an article on CNET.com that a drop from hip height can break the back.
Now I'm going to fast forward and quickly show you how we made the whole product review in just a couple of minutes. We basically copied, pasted texts whenever we needed. Whenever we need the image, we simply copy the image URL, paste it right here, hit enter, and immediately the image is on the canvas. How cool is that? Pan it, rotate it, make it smaller, bigger, do whatever you want. You want to add some text to describe something? Copy from anywhere, go to the text section of Epic and just paste it. Then simply click the add text button and the text is here, and you can do all kind of formatting, rotating, panning, zooming as you want, change font if you want, change color to meet your taste. To add a voiceover, go to the audio section, text to audio section, click the add button, give it a title, choose type of voiceover and the voice artist of your choice. Add the script, edit it if you want, add, delete, do whatever you want. Whenever you are happy, click the submit button and your voiceover is ready. So awesome. Go to the text audio section, click add, and the voiceover is added to the clip. And formatted the text. Whenever we need image, simply copy the URL of the image, go to the image section, paste it, and the image is added. Then we take screenshots. This is a free screenshot grabbing software we use, which is basically a Google Chrome extension. And here is the customer testimonial section. We just added customer testimonials because it has such an awesome feedback from the customers. We customize the text whenever we need, however we want it, just to match our taste, to make it as nice, as professional as possible. Basic editor, but very powerful. It has everything you need. Now, when we want to add a voiceover, we just need to grab a text from anywhere, add the text and turn it into a natural voiceover. To make it natural and real voiceover, sometimes we add, sometimes we edit, and sometimes we use our AI, built-in artificial intelligence, to modify the text and then take that text, put it in the text to voice section and turn it into a voiceover. There are total 6 sections and it took total 10 to 15 minutes of your time to make a money-making persuasive product review. And whenever you are done, simply click the render button and the video will be rendered in the background.
Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it, so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And we want to reach 100 million people and help everybody learn how to make money online. But we need your help. All we need from you is a hit in the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and your social media timelines, and let everybody know about this awesome and easy and evergreen system. Everybody will make money even if the economy is low. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. How cool is that? This is exactly how we make money, and hundreds of thousands of other people just like us make money every single day. You can do it too. So go ahead, like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next video.